To get Apple Pay unrestricted, you need to understand the concept of regional restrictions and how they apply to Apple Pay. Apple Pay is a mobile payment service that allows users to make payments using their iPhone, iPad, or Apple Watch. However, some features and services may be restricted in certain regions due to local laws and regulations. First, check if Apple Pay is available in your region by visiting the Apple website. If it is not available, you may need to use a different payment method. If Apple Pay is available, but some features are restricted, you can try using a VPN to access the full range of features. To set up Apple Pay, you need to add a credit or debit card to your Wallet app. You can do this by opening the Wallet app, tapping the plus sign, and following the prompts to add your card. You may need to verify your card details with your bank or card issuer. To remove regional restrictions, you can try resetting your Apple ID region. To do this, sign out of your Apple ID on all your devices. Then sign back in and select your region as the United States or another region where Apple Pay is fully supported. Another option is to use a different Apple ID that is registered in a region where Apple Pay is fully supported. You can create a new Apple ID and register it in a different region. Then use this Apple ID to access Apple Pay. It is essential to note that using a VPN or changing your Apple ID region may violate Apple's terms and conditions. You should carefully review Apple's terms and conditions before attempting to remove regional restrictions. In addition, you should ensure that you are complying with local laws and regulations when using Apple Pay. You should also be aware of any fees or charges that may apply when using Apple Pay in a different region. In conclusion, getting Apple Pay unrestricted requires an understanding of regional restrictions and how they apply to Apple Pay. By following these steps and being aware of the potential risks and limitations, you can access the full range of Apple Pay features and make mobile payments with ease.